Hi guys. It's me again. Okay, you're going to need hash brown casserole, okay? You're going to need 1 bag of shredded hash browns. You can also do the potatoes O'Brien, and that's what I often do because it adds you some onions, peppers in there. Oop, and they're already there. These are still a little bit frozen, so we're gonna have to chip them up here a little bit. Lord. This happens whenever you don't put your groceries up as quickly as you should, and they melt, and then the liquid part refreezes back together. I have a softened room temperature package of cream cheese. Now, I always put cream cheese, but I didn't have a lot of sour cream. As a matter of fact, let me rephrase. I had none. Well, I had a little bit, but I didn't like the way it looked or smelled. The date was fine, but it just didn't feel right. So we're going to go with cream juice. It's softened, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Okay, some people put this in their recipe all the time. I'm just not those people. But it is good. And if you have a softened cream cheese, I recommend it. It is delicious. Let's see here. We gotta get This is plain Greek yogurt. We're gonna pretend that it's sour cream for all the intents and purposes of this video. And it will work just fine. And it'll add some extra protein. So we'll call this high protein hash brown casserole. 1 can. This is cream of chicken with herbs. But cream of chicken of any kind will suffice. Okay. We're going to do all the leftover cheese. Here's some Mexican blend, and this one is brand new, and it's Swiss. I got some cheddar. I'll throw a little bit of cheddar in there. We're going to do this whole bag of Swiss. Okay. Hold on. This takes some working. This takes some real hard stirring. Let me get my cheddar. Oh, Lordy. Nah, you know what? That's enough cheese. Everything's gonna be fine. Alright. So, for seasonings, let's do some of my favorites. First of all, we're going to put some minced garlic in there. Garlic, as it were. Like that. We're going to do... This one needs open. I finally used all my other garlic powders. Now I can break into this giant Rural King one. Ugh. Alright. Do what you want to do, okay? Don't come for me on how much I season my food. Here's some Lowry's. and some black pepper. Now, I'm going to do a little pinch of salt, and then I'm going to do some minced onion, because you're supposed to dice up an onion and put in here, but I'm cheating. I need to buy this stuff like by the cases, because it's good. Now, we're going to do a good little pinch of sea salt, and we're going to commence to stirring. Okay, hold on. Gotta get braced up. Gotta bring it all together. We got cream of soup. We got all the star players in here. Yeah. Some people, I think, call these funeral potatoes. I don't know why. Some people do. Okay. Yeah, this is not for the faint of heart. You gotta get your upper body strength engaged for this. Okay. So it's all looking pretty good right here. Okay. Now, let's get us a pan. Oh. Oh, God. Ooh. My shoulder has been acting up. And so, all this lifting up over my head I've done today is probably not going to be helped. Oh, Lord. Hold on. Oh, Lord. Oh, my gosh. The sun. 'Tis the sun. Goodness gracious. Sorry, guys. We're fighting Mother Nature. Okay, spray it down with a cooking spray. Okay. And we're going to add all this conglomeration. Oh, Lord. Hang on, guys. Oh, there it goes. Release. All right. Now, we're going to smush it all down into this pan. That's very shiny. Oh, Lord. I'm sorry, guys. This is terrible quality. I'm so sorry. We're going to try to get a better situation going. I'm so sorry. The transom windows right now are just, it's that time of day. And honestly, the trees aren't leafing all the way out yet. So this won't be so bad once everything is completely leafed. Alright, so now we've got it smoothed out. Okay, it's going to look something like... Hold on. Let's show you here. Oh gosh, no. It looks something like this. There we go. Now, let's do a topping. Let's see. I normally, well, sometimes I do like the old school way is cornflakes, which I find that to be gross. That's just my opinion. I have over here a package of Townhouse crackers, I have two, actually. Okay. So we're going to take these Townhouse crackers and we're going to take all of them. We're going to mush them. We're going to mush them. Oh. While I got you guys on here real quick, I want to ask you all to please remember my uncle again in your prayers. He was sent late last night to Lexington. We're not exactly sure what's going on. I'm so sorry, guys, about this light. This is embarrassing. We're not sure exactly what's going on with him yet. There's a mass in his leg, and he's having multiple issues in his body right now. So if y'all could please just say a prayer for him and his family and for me, because I'm a little bit stressed out about it. Alright, let's get some butter. I've got tons of butter. Evidently, every time I went to the store for the last month, I've picked up some butter. Clear. So, as it turns out, I guess every time it's on sale or something, I'll grab some. So I'm going to melt one stick of butter. We're going to dump it on top of this. And we're going to put this in the oven with the beans. I'm going to pull the beans out. You guys are going to love it. And I've got a few other things here too. I got some corn. A little corn on the cobs left over that we're going to put on in a minute and get them heated up. Okay. Let's see. We need a couple more seconds. Oh, Lordy. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, please just enjoy the ethereal lighting.
Emma?
Hey, baby.
Oh, that's Mom.
Did you have a good nap? All right, guys. Now, let's see. Our butter should be melted, and yes. Alrighty. Now we're gonna pour the melted butter all over the top. Huh?
Cosmic flyer.
The cosmic flyer? Yeah.
The glare.
Oh, I thought you said cosmic flyer. Okay, poured the butter on. It's going in the oven, 350. Now, let me show you these beans real quick. Oh, Lord. They're perfect. They are exactly how I wanted them. Alright. Yes, there will be leftovers. And yes, that's fine. Alright, now this is how I like my baked beans, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. See that? See how caramelized that is? Yes! Okay, so that's that. Now, oh, sorry. Now, it's time to stop this video, do a little quick reset, and when the casserole is done and the corn is boiled, we're going to plate this food, and we're going to eat. Love yous. See you in a few. Bye.